As you see, the parts which are here, all of them you need it. It is the lumbar back, solenoid, vacuum pump or air pump, the switcher, and electrical wires. This part it will go into the seat together with the pump and solenoid. The button it will be in the front part of the seat. First step for installation, it will be taking the chair, move him to the front, creating the bigger space. For installation we need to take down this cover. Okay, the next step it is taking out this cover. The cover holding in the seat with the two clips which is from the bottom. These two clips is necessary to take down. This is those two clips which I'm using this tool for take them out. You can use the normal screwdriver, but this is much quicker and easier. When the clips are out, you are taking from bottom and moving the cover down. As you see it, I have here the different kind of the installation, but this is not a problem. I will just adjust the new one which I need for a lumbar. Next step it is taking out the cover from bottom part and sliding it out to create the room for installation. For installation we need to move the airbag behind of these wires to here. I will do it from the side. I will take out the springs 1, 2 to create the room for moving these two here. Right now I have enough place to move with the lumbar back to inside, what I'm going to do right now. When the lumbar back it is on the position, you need to move him down as much as possible to touching the bottom part here. In this position here, then full going to here. When the lumbar back it is sit where should be, after that we are use the parts for fixing him around the wires and strips to don't move during the driving. This is the final position for a lumbar back. Right now we are take the springs and put them on the previous position to holding this fixation web on the position. Easiest way for me it is again use this tool, put him on bottom part, hook it, and move it to the position. The same with the bottom spring. Next point, it is put the pump somewhere on this location. Before, on the previous car, it was sitting here. This is right now the pump for increasing the sides. Therefore, for me, currently it was the best place to put it here at the bottom. It's setting safely here. It's not affecting with nothing. Next step will be securing the pipes in the holder, which is directly under the seat. Because I have 3 pipes, it is 2 places. I will create one more to unsecure the wiring, which is here. Right now I have holder for 3 pipes. After that, secure the solenoid in the hole which is in the frame of the seat. It will be opposite of the solenoid from other pumping system. Should look like this. When all pipes are secured, we are start deploying with this harness. We have to take him behind of the pipes, going to this corner. After that, behind of the frame to down under the seat. Okay, where your cable is already down and going inside to here, we can cover this part because here we are done. Okay, in this part we need to install this button on this location. As a first step for to do it, it will be take out these 2 holders to create a bigger space to plug it inside to here. To taking out this leveler, you need a thin screwdriver. When you are move it up, plug it there, release and go out. For better to see it, what I did with the screwdriver, it is going from bottom and moving this clip up. After that, he is release it and go out. Right now, to take the bottom and from bottom bring him inside. And plug him there. Okay. Button is secured. We can continue with installation of the wires from the bottom. Before the next step of installation, it will be good to moving the chair again to back and creating the more free room part from here. As a first part of this wiring, I'll take the connector under of seat, bring him to inside and connect him here to this connector. As you see it, here I have already the cable inside and I will plug him to this connector from bottom. Okay. Right now this part we have done, and we can everything connect here on the previous place. Okay, when the cover is sitting on the proper position, just plug back the lumbar. Okay, right now we will continue with this cable, which is here, with the connection to the power, which will be these two connectors. First is uncover the isolation for electrical connection and installation of the power. We need to connect these two wires, the brown and red, inside of the connector. Before we are disconnect this part, it is necessary to switch off the battery. Disconnect the plus pole on the battery and avoid the possible explosion of the airbags in the car. It is necessary to do it before you are continue with the next step. When you are disconnect the battery and you have prepared the power wires, you have to take out this connector, disconnect him, and we will need to take out the full inside part to outside. It is held with just two small clips on the sides. Here is one, and here is the second one. Okay, when you take him down, you will see inside you have this red wire, red with the black strip, and brown, which is the ground in all cars, and this is the plus. Right now I'm prepare the one wires, the brown and a red one as well for installation. First we will start with soldering the brown, which will go in like this together. After the soldering, it looks like this. It is soldered red to the red, brown to the brown. Next step, isolation tape to bandage both of the connection. When you have done the isolation and the all wires are banded, then after that we will put everything together like it was before. That means all parts of the connector to the yellow one in the opposite way how you are disconnect. When you're done and the connector is already functional, connect the yellow one to the yellow one. Close the locker. And secure it. Right now, when everything is connected back, the next step will be to take the final connector and connect him with the lumbar in the back side of the car. Of course, after this step, you just need to connect the battery back and we can start to test if it is everything working well. Right now it is everything connected and we can start to test. As you see it is working smoothly. Then we can finish our job and just tightening and holding the all bottom cables again on bottom part of the chair, for which we are using the standard cable types. That's all, and thank you for watching. Bye.